What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing. This is July's box, and well aware that it's really late, well aware that I've been gone for 2 months. But anyway, I wanted to sit down and film this today because it's raining outside and I just wanted to film. I was feeling motivated, inspired, etc. So yeah, I wanted to do my Boxycharm unboxing because they're like my favorite things to film because you get to try out a bunch of stuff. So yeah, and if you're not aware of what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box and it comes obviously every month. And you get 4 to 5, I think it's 4 to 5 full-size products. Usually it's 5, this month is 5. And it's $21 a month. And the way that I do these videos is I look in the box, like I get in the mail, I look at it, see what's in there, and then I wait for the video to try everything out. So this month I don't have anything on my face because there's actually a skincare product in the box. The first product is this face mask right here. So this is the Pharmacy Beauty Bright On Vitamin C face mask. And I actually didn't get a card in this month's box, which there's always usually a card that tells you what everything is, but I didn't get one, so I'm just gonna Google everything so I can tell you guys what it is and how much it retails for. So this is the Pharmacy Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask with Echinacea, Green Envy. And so what this is, it says it's a vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup and impurities to visibly improve the appearance of skin texture and tone. So on pharmacybeauty.com, oh, this is a new mask too, it says. That's cool. This retails for $38. So that's really expensive, and your box is like $21. So you get like a really nice face mask in it for like way less than the face mask actually costs. So that's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out. Oh, it's very thick. Looking cute, looking cute. You're supposed to rub it until like color transformation or whatever stops and starts. I think it looks more blue now than purple. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Obviously, it's hard to tell how you like a mask after one use, but I'll give you my first thoughts after 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed the mask off and it started to feel really drying at the end, which I don't mind with face masks because I feel like that makes me feel like they're working. I don't know. And then I washed it off with just face cloth with water, and it came off really easily, and my face feels really nice now. I put some lotion on and it just feels nice. I mean, it's hard to tell after one use of a mask if it's gonna like visibly do anything, but I think that it definitely smoothed out my skin. And yeah, it feels really nice. I liked it. So really quick, I'm just gonna go put on the rest of my makeup and then we'll test out everything else in the box. Okay, so I have the rest of my makeup on. So the next thing in the box is this guy right here. So this is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So I've seen posts about this on like Instagram and stuff. And normally I'm a huge pencil girl. I don't ever do my eyebrows with something else other than a pencil, but I'm excited to try this. Okay, so I looked on Cella.com and it says, this innovative eyebrow cream formula has a rich velvety consistency that effortlessly applies to your eyebrows. After application, it can be blended onto your eyebrows and skin to create a truly natural looking finish. Once set, this formula can last all day and throughout the night. And this is a full-size product and it retails for $26. And like I said, mine's in the shade taupe, but they have a bunch of different colors. So let's try this out. Okay, it's kind of easy to use actually. I was expecting it to be a lot more difficult to work with, but I think it's fine. All right, so my brows are on. They're not bad. I'm just not used to this type of product, but I feel like you can get a more natural look with this like really easily. Like they just look nice and like light and kind of feathery versus like my very usual like cut perfect brow. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this, and this is by Note. I haven't heard of that brand before, but Note Cosmetics, and it's a blush. It's the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil, and it's in the shade 5, which is Desert Rose. packaging's really nice. I like it. And then the color has no like engraved into the compact. This shade is really nice too. Also, I like did my makeup and then went and ate dinner and didn't set anything. So now like my mouth is creased because I ate food, which is typical, but it's fine. Oh, it's very pigmented. Holy crap. You need a tiny, tiny bit. Yep, that's a lot. This is like 2 cheeks worth, plus probably more. Oh my gosh. So it's very pretty. It's so pigmented. This will last literally forever because it's so pigmented. This was just like a little tiny like sweep and I got like coverage for both my cheeks, and it's like way more than I usually do. I don't usually go crazy with blush, but it's very pretty. I like it. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher by No Cosmetics. This formula adds luminosity and cares for skin at the same time. Argan oil provides much needed moisture to skin for a comfortable finish. Includes an applicator brush, which it does. It's pretty cute. Don't know if I'll use it, but it has one. Infused with botanicals, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and it's vegan. And this retails for $11.99, and they have a bunch of colors. Like these are all the colors that they have available, so that's nice. There's plenty to pick from. Okay, the next thing in the box, I'm super excited for this guy. So this is a Crown Brushes palette. I love Crown brushes. Their brushes are fabulous. It's the Crown Pro palette, and then you open it up. There's a little thing, okay. And then these are the shades. These are gorgeous. So you have a highlighting shade, which is super nice because a lot of palettes I feel like don't have that. So, and then you've got shimmer shades, you've got matte shades, you've got some lighter shades, you have a nice dark shade. So that's awesome. There's like a lot of variety with this, which I like. Okay, so to speed things along, because I'm talking a lot and it's taking forever, I'm just going to do my eyeshadow and like point to each color as I use it. Just zoom forward and here we go.
Moving on and getting over, but not the friends they used to be. Moving on and getting over, but not the friends they used to be. Moving on and getting over, but not the friends they used to be.
Okay, so I'm done with the eyes and I like this palette. It blends really well. And so this is called the Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $29.99. So yeah, I really liked it. It was a fun palette to play with. You can do a lot of looks with it. It's definitely a warm palette. I mean, there's not really many cool shades in here other than maybe this one, but it gets a good vote from me for sure. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is this bad boy right here. This is a mascara. This is the Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Okay, so they sell it on Sephora, so I didn't know Wander Beauty was at Sephora. So this retails for $24, and it says it's an intensely glossy black mascara that volumizes, lengthens, and curls. Okay, so that's after a second coat. And they've definitely gotten fuller. So it definitely, I think, needs 2 coats. But it's a really nice mascara. It makes your lashes look nice and long. Alrighty guys, so that's everything in the box. I added a lipstick. This is, I already forgot what it was. Hold on. This is, oh my God. This is Ofra Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. This is a wonderful lipstick. I am obsessed. If you haven't tried Ofra lipsticks, you need to. But yeah, anyway, this was everything in the box. I like this month's box a lot. My favorite thing was probably the eyeshadow palette or the mask. I love when we get skincare stuff because I just love skincare. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I was glad to be back filming. It's been a bit, but be sure to like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'll have all my links down below. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.